Hey guys, this is my first voiceover, so don't judge. I received some wax from Sexy Smooth Wax, Tickled Pink, and here I am pouring it in. Here I am mixing it because I don't know what to do. Okay, I already prepped the skin, and look how easy that glides on. Super, super pretty. And also, this client was a full body wax, and she let me record her underarms. She is such a champ. Here I am taking it off. It comes up so easy. Literally left no hairs. I did have to go back and do a cleanup, but it was only like 2 hairs left over. Look how pretty it is. And it goes on very, very smooth. And it dries super quick. Here I am pulling it off. Literally left nothing. Look how clean that is. And then here I am doing the other side. I already prepped the skin. She has a little more hair on this side, so I'm gonna show you the strip afterwards. But look how pretty. And y'all know I love pink. Look at that. Look at all that hair.